Haha, do you remember who I am? It's me, Bad Rabbit. Now I should take over the city with a piggyback ride on my pet dog, Mirror. Hey, Mirror, ride on me. I'm too busy. I'm so busy. I must get married with my wife. Where's your wife? Over here. Look how lovely we are. We should leave. Oh no, goodbye. I said no. I need another pet to let me take over the city. Which one? Wait, I think I see a kitten written over there. Is that true? There is a kitten written. And it looks friendly to me. Ha! I should take over the city. Ha, 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 ha. Hello, Kitten Witten. Come on out and let's have a piggyback ride. Okay. Oh, goody now. Go! I said go. Come on. We should take over the world. We have no time to stop. I guess I need to find another pet. What's that over there? A golden tangerine. It's going again. What does it do? I don't know. Maybe I should steal that treasure. Hey, kitten, let's move. Meow. Move. The kitten did it. It can move. Oh, goody. I'm going to put it on my backpack. Now, onto my backpack. I can still see it. Now go and let me rule the city and be evil. See, you're evil now. Go! Meow. Meow. Let's see, is there anyone in trouble? Oh no! There's a bad rabbit and a kitten in trouble. They are gonna destroy the world and they'll rule the city. And they'll take over the city too. Time for some Paw Patrol power. Ready, set, get wet. Oh, look who's here. It's Zuma. What are you doing, Zuma? I'm here to fight with you. Oh, yeah? Go get her. Wow, that kitten's bigger than I thought. Well, please stop, kitten, stop. Wow. Come on, please stop hitting me. How come it's listening to me? All because of that orange. Don't listen to that doggy. You just need to listen to me. Let's see about that. Oh, yeah? Well, I'll definitely fight. Ready? Oh no. Ha! Let's see about that. Haha. Let's see about that. Go hit that kitten and be back an evil cat. Meow. Oh no, I should figure out a plan. There's something on Bad Rabbit's backpack. A golden tangerine. Maybe that makes it control. Hey, Kitten Witten. Huh? It did it. Hey, kitty. Would you like to be back a good kitten just like before? A normal kitten, please. Wow. Then what are you waiting for? Let's fight Bad Rabbit. Wow. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Now stay, kitten, don't fight. Ah! Kitten, fight as hard as you can. Ah! And I'll go too. Help! Help me! Okay, let's do this. Come on, Kitten Winton, let's do this. Wow. Steady. Throw! Ah! That is the end of fun. You guys win. And I'm heading straight to a floor. Gee whiz, I guess I do lose. We did it. Oh. Now stay. Be back, good kitten. Would you like to be the member of the Paw Patrol? Wow. Wow. Good kitten. Now what are we waiting for? Let's bring the tangerine and you to the bouncy. Oh, I forgot, what does it say? What do you think it's called? What is it? Meow. That's right, a bouncy chair. Meow. Woohoo! We did it. One problem solved. That is the end of Zuma's adventures. Hooray! See you in the last day I made this YouTube. You can watch us more as you love. Goodbye.